Hello, this is Teacher Charles. And so many ESL learners do not pronounce the sounds of the consonants clearly. They mumble their words. They don't open their mouth very much and they talk like this rather than opening their mouth to make the sounds of the consonants. This is critical. It's essential. To speak English, you must open your mouth and maybe bigger and stronger than what you're used to. It's a new habit. And so I'm looking at a picture here of a little girl, and I've used this for my teaching. And I'm going to describe the girl. You listen, watch my mouth. I'm going to be looking down a little bit, but you can try to watch my mouth and listen to how I pronounce the consonants. So in the picture, there is a young girl. She has short brown hair. She has big ears, small eyes, a small nose, and she has freckles on her cheeks. She is wearing a long sleeve blue sweater with a yellow collar, and she is wearing a pink and white skirt. Under the skirt, she's wearing blue pants. She's also wearing pink and yellow slippers. She's vacuuming the room with a pink vacuum cleaner. In the room to her left is a brown cabinet with 4 drawers. On top of the cabinet, there is a flower and a blue vase. To the left of the flower is a book, 2 books, one book on top of the other, and a yellow pen or pencil. To the right of the flower is a pink frame, which is a mirror. Above and behind the cabinet, there is a window, and around the window, there is a pink curtain with red bows. Outside, we see a blue sky with white clouds, a yellow and red sun, and green mountains.